Good morning, guys. It's 6 a.m. I'm so tired. And I'm sitting in a taxi. And I will spend the next 5 days in NUSA Penida. I will do my free dive course there for 3 days. And then I want to explore NUSA Penida a little bit as well. I heard so much good stuff about NUSA Penida. I'm very keen to go there. And first of all, when we arrive at the harbor, I will get the best coffee in whole Bali. Definitely, bro. Hey. Made it to NUSA Penida. I'm in the hostel and I'm so lucky. It's my third hostel in Indo and this one is pretty nice as well. So lucky and it looks amazing. I show you around later. The ferry, the drive was round about like 30 to 40 minutes from Bali to NUSA Penida, and it was so hectic at the harbor in Bali. There were so many people and every boat got its own customer group, and yeah, I just like followed this one dude. I was like, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just going, bro. I trust you. You have my life in your hands. And for today, I don't have any plans, which is pretty nice because the next 3 days is gonna be pretty busy. I want to rent a scooter at the reception here for the next couple days because I have to drive to the dive school every morning as well. Just explore a little bit, get some brekkie. But for now, I just show you my hostel. Alrighty, that's my room. I sleep here. There's another person. There's a girl from the States. Then I got like a own locker over there, like the whole side. It's like pretty much I like it, especially I will be here for 5 nights and I can store all my shit in there. Like it. And then we got like a mirror over here where we can get fresh. Yeah, boy. And then we get our bathroom. That's pretty sick. We got the outdoor shower. How cool is that? That's epic. I like it. One other thing what is very nice, when you come out here, you got a very nice pool. I guess I will jump in there later on. But for now, I will grab a scooter and get brekkie and then get on a mission, get on an adventure or something else. Let's do it. You. Fresh color, 2023, bro. Oh yeah, guys, I got an avocado toast and a coffee, and I will smash that. Alrighty guys, I made it to Crystal Bay. That's the name of this beach, and it looks pretty nice. But when you look around here, there's like so many people again, and you have to pay entrance to get in. I mean, that's normal in Southeast Asia, but still it's a little bit sad, and yeah, pretty dirty here as well. But still, it's a nice view, nice to see. But honestly, it's like not a spot where I wanna chill. But I love the palm trees. It looks pretty sick. I love it! I hope I find like a small secret spot. And this one here actually is Crystal Bay, where I've been before. It looks pretty sick. A wimba whip, a wimba whip, a wimba whip, a wimba whip. In the jungle. Oh my god. Look at that beach. Fuck, that's so nice here.
Huh?
I'm on the way back to the scooter now, and this bay was so nice because there was just few people. It was so small, like nice white sand, and yeah, you saw it on the drone. It was epic. But I guess my drone is a little bit damaged because every time when I fly a little bit further, my drone always tell me signal lost, and today the same. It's a little bit annoying because yeah, I would love to show a little bit more or film a little bit more from this whole area. But yeah, you saw the bay, and it's almost 4 now. I guess when I'm at my scooter, I just drive straight home. Maybe jump in the pool and have a very, very chilled night. Yeah, see us at the hostel. Woo! Alrighty guys, my lunch is ready. Just fried noodles, egg, and a beverage. Yum. Hola. I'm back in my hostel, and sorry for the light. The light is pretty bad. And today was super cruisy. I arrived in the morning at NUSA Penida, and then I just cruised around, laid on the beach, just chilled. And I wanna end this video on this point as well, because tomorrow starts my freedive course, and I want like a own vlog just for my freediving. We see us in the next vlog, guys. Have a good night. I'm tired. I go in my bed now, and I'm super keen for tomorrow start my freedive course. Woo.